In this presentation, we will explore how to convert speech into text using generative AI and Python code in Google Colab. To access Google Colab, go to colab.research.google.com and sign in using your Gmail account. Google Colab is a free cloud-based platform that allows you to write and execute Python code in an interactive notebook environment. Once synced in, you can create new notebooks, open existing ones from your Google Drive, or explore public available examples. To create a new workspace in Google Colab, click on File and after New Notebook. This will open a fresh Colab notebook where you can write and execute Python code. Each notebook consists of code cells that can be run individually, making it easy to test and modify your code interactively. Since Colab is a cloud-based, your work is automatically saved in Google Drive, ensuring that you don't lose progress. This code sets up a speech-to-text pipeline using Hugging Face's implementation of OpenAI Whisper Large v3 Turbo model. It first checks whether a GPU is available and selects the appropriate device, using half precision. For improved performance of GPUs and full precision on CPUs. The Whisper model is then loaded with memory-efficient options and moved to the chosen device. Alongside the model, a preprocessor combining the tokenizer and future extractor is initialized to handle both text conversion and audio preprocessing. Finally, these components are wrapped into automatic speech recognition pipeline, which can take raw audio as input and return transcribed text efficiently, leveraging GPU acceleration when available. The code also demonstrates how to load and play an audio file for transcription. It uses wget to download a sample speech file from a given URL and save it locally. The variable audio URL stores the path to this audio file, which is then passed to ipython.display.audio to create an embedded audio player within a Colab notebook. This allows users to conventionally listen to the input speech before applying the automatic speech recognition pipeline. After preparing the ACR pipeline and loading the audio file, the code performs speech-to-text transcription. By calling pipe audio URL, the audio file is passed into the pipeline, which automatically processed in through the Whisper model and return a dictionary containing the recognized text. The print result then extracts and displays only the transcribed text, providing the final output of the speech recognition workflow. The workflow also supports different audio formats such as MP3. In this step, the code downloads a recording from a provided URL using wget and save it locally. The path to the file is stored in the variable audio URL, and the ipython.display.audio URL creates an embedded audio player with a Colab environment. This allows the user to listen to the speech sample directly into the notebook before running it through the ACR pipeline for transcription. After preparing the ACR pipeline and loading the audio file, the similar call performs speech-to-text transcription in another supported language. In Google Colab, you can easily view and explore shared notebooks without making any modifications. However, if you want to run the code and make changes, you should first save a copy of the notebook to your own Google Drive. This ensures that you have full editing access and can execute the code without restrictions. To do this, simply go to File and after Save a Copy Drive, which creates a personal version of the notebook in your drive. This way you can modify the code, install necessary dependencies, and save your progress without affecting the original shared file.